everyone, so I'm actually going to get my hair done today because look at these roots, and I'm going to be going to, for the first time, Charles Worthington to have their bee colour service. So I wanted to take you with me to show you how I get my hair coloured, but this isn't my usual way of...
Talking to the people?
This isn't my usual way of getting my hair done because this is the first time I've ever been to Charles Worthington, but I wanted to try it out and test out their bee colour service, so I'll take you with me.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe.
So roots are done, we've put a toner over it, and now it's ready for, we've also used L'Oreal Smart Blonde, and now we're going to put the colour over. We're going for the colourful hair from L'Oreal Professional. Does it shut here on Saturday? 6. So she said to my friend, yeah, 6. Basically. Can we get Saturdays off? Yeah.
I can't get them off if I wanted. I need to like weddings, that kind of thing. You know, like,
So you're always working on that?
generally always working on Saturday, yeah.
That's good. I think like if you get used to it, you get used to it.
Yeah, exactly.
Always say that to me, because I work my 5 days, so I work when I get home, but then I work on Saturdays and Sundays.
Yeah.
That's what I was doing, I was working.
Yeah. Do something you love, you never work a day in your life, all that jazz. Had all downstairs done. Literally, that was so painful. Have you had your down there done?
No, I did wow. Oh, which I'm pretty sure that's painful.
That's as painful, yeah. I mean, it's so worth it. I only had, I must have had about...
Do your leg hairs grow back at all?
Yes, they do, but hard, like really soft, like
Really?
down. Yeah.
Because I have to shave it every single day.
Do you? But you've
Even though I'm light, my hair's dark.
Yeah.
And it grows back every day.
How many sessions have you had?
Under my arms, I had 2.
Yeah.
Oh, so you had 3.
Yeah.
I haven't had my legs done, but I want to think
You need
about
to have
getting
3 stages of hair growth.
yeah, Instagram stories or on YouTube.
Obsessed.
Yeah, do you?
Yeah, constantly. I'm always. I never go on Facebook anymore. Like
I
Facebook.
don't really like Facebook.
No, it's all memes and all that.
Yeah.
And they're funny. Okay, but I don't.
I went dark one time.
Yeah.
I just had to keep, I mean, obviously I'm pale anyway, but I had to keep like topping it up, constantly. I do find when I've got blue hair, like bright blue hair, I have to put more makeup on.
Oh really?
Yeah, it washes me out a bit more.
Yeah, it's cooler.
With the pastels, until I have to stop.
Yeah, until you're like, okay,
I'm too old now.
Yeah, so you've literally done all of them and you're just like, okay.
Yeah. You know who Buddy Winkle
Yes, I was about to literally say to you.
I will be like her.
I was literally about to say to you.
Because she is just brilliant.
Yeah.
I actually love her.
Yeah, she's mental.
I love that her bio is stealing your man since 1928. My boyfriend went, yeah, I would. I was like, shut up.
Oh no, I didn't need to know that. Aww.
Sun, but clouds got in our way, and
So the hair colour is on, as you can see. So it looks very bright pink at the moment. But it's not going to be that bright. It's going to obviously wash out quite a bit, and it's going to be more of a pastel-y tone. And she's also going to run a bit of a lilac one over the top, so you get like an iridescent kind of finish. This is L'Oreal Professional, by the way. It's called Colourful Hair, and I will find out the shade for you and link it down below.